Hey Charlie Brown gang, this is Andrew. I'm Henry's dad. Some of you might remember Henry. This is Henry's house and his whiteboard. So I'm going to teach you a lesson real quick on how to draw Corduroy. So here's Corduroy. You've been learning about him. He's a cute teddy bear, and you're going to use a couple of different shapes. So I'm going to show you the shapes real quick before we start. The first shape is an oval. If you've ever drawn an oval, it's kind of like a circle, but it's a little more squashed, like an egg. So here's an oval. See how it looks like an egg? The second shape is a triangle, upside down. See, it's an upside down triangle. The third shape is a circle, and it's like an oval, except it's even all the way around as much as you can make it. The last shape is a letter. It's the letter U. Like that. And actually one more shape. It's a little squiggly line, so small, zigzag squiggle. And I'm going to use all of these to draw corduroy. So here's how it goes. First, it starts with a big oval. That's his head. So I'll just start at the bottom and make the big oval. Okay, so this is going to be outside of his head. Next, I'm going to draw his nose. It's called his muzzle. And it's going to be a smaller oval inside my big oval, right? And it's going to be right kind of close to the bottom. See how it's not at the top, it's not in the middle, it's kind of towards the bottom. Then I'm going to do that upside down triangle right in the middle of his muzzle, upside down. I'm going to go ahead and color it in black because this is his nose and Corduroy's nose is black. Okay. Next, I'm going to finish his mouth, and I'm going to use this U, the letter U. I'm going to start at the bottom of the triangle nose, and I'm going to go U. And then I'm going to do another one right next to it. And now he's smiling. So the next thing, what's missing? His ears and his eyes. Let's do his eyes. I'm going to use this circle shape, okay? And I'm going to draw a circle with a little circle inside of it, just like we did an oval with a little oval inside of it. So I'm going to start right up here, circle, circle, and I'm going to draw a little circle inside and a little circle inside. Then I'm going to color it in like I colored in the nose, but I'm going to leave the middle, I'm going to leave that white so it looks like a little eyeball. So I'm going to color this in, right? And now we're just missing the ears. So the ears, that is kind of another shape I didn't go over, and that shape is just going to be kind of what's called a semicircle. It means half circle, so it's going to be like this. That's kind of a half circle. You could imagine finishing the circle like that, but just a half of a circle or an upside down U. So I'm going to start at the top here on this side, one ear, and then another little semicircle inside, and another ear, and another little semicircle inside, and that's corduroy. Now if at the very end you want to use the little squiggly lines, remember they're not big squiggles, they're little tiny as you can make them, and that's his fuzz. So if you want to go around all the edges, here's the edges, and I'm going to start here. If you just want to go around all the edges with your tiny squiggles, it'll actually look like fur. I'm gonna go all the way out and just make the squiggles as tiny as you can make them, because then it'll look like he has too spiky of hair. So this way, he just looks fuzzy and cute. And that's how you draw corduroy. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Just practice it. Practice these shapes: oval, triangle, circle, the letter U, semicircle, half circle, and little squiggly zigzag.